All right, the last bit of counting. Combinations. Combinations, keyword is group. It's a group of objects in which order does not matter. So it's literally just a group. It might be things like a committee. If I can write and have my stylus work. Committees. I think I spelled that wrong. I think I need two M's. Committees. People that have the same job. People that win the same prize. All would fall into groups. Okay? So here's some examples. Oh, we're going to use the NCR formula. N is still the total number of objects. R is the number of objects we're going to use. It says for the arrangement right here, I'm going to cross that word out and I'm going to write group because I want you to think of groups. So group size. Natalie has 16 close friends. How many ways could she choose 5 to be the bridesmaids in her wedding? Okay, so here's 5 women having the same job. So this would be a group. Natalie has 16 friends. And she's going to make a group of 5 of them to be her bridesmaids. The formula is in the same place in your calculator as the NPR formula is, and you enter it the same way. So 4,368. You put in your 16. Then you put in the formula NCR instead of NPR, and then you hit your 5 and equals. Okay, 24 students in Kyle's kindergarten class. How many ways can he choose 8 to come to his birthday party? Okay, again, they're all doing the same thing. It's just a group of kids coming to the birthday party. So you don't need to line them up. You just need to make a group, so a combination of 8 kids. So 24, NCR formula, 8. So 735,471 different 8-kid groups he could invite to his birthday party. A lot of people think that's way too big, but remember, that's counting every group where, 7 kids are the same and only one person's different. It's a slightly different group. So you would count it again. But it does not count anywhere we just change the arrangement of people. So it is smaller than 24P8 would be. All right, Abby is adopting kittens from the pet store. There are 18. How many ways can she choose 2? Well, hey, the same thing happens to the kittens. They come to Abby's house, so they're a group of 2. Yet they do not need to be lined up. So this would be 18 P 2. Oh, dear. They do not need to be lined up. So C, 18C2, a group of 2. 153. Notice the group answers are typically a lot smaller than the arrangement answers, which should always be true. There are 12 employees at the sub shop. How many ways can the manager choose 4 for the Sunday shift? Hey, they're all doing the same job. They're all working the same shift, so they're a group. 12C4. 495. Make sure you're typing these in and getting them to work out so you know you're using your calculator correctly. There are 85 players on the football team. How many ways could the coach choose 3 to represent them at the coin toss? Same job, all being at the coin toss. So 85C3. Not lining them up. It doesn't matter who's first, second, or third. They're all going to go work together. So 98,770. All right, give combinations a try. Ask questions if you have them.